Don't let Farouk make the sandwiches, because he'll sneeze all over the sandwiches. Make them yourself. Christ. Christ. Yeah. Anyway, complaint about Mabel McCauley. Mabel McCauley is rude. I don't like Mabel. Mabel is rude. Wouldn't buy you big giant canvas. only spent £2.50 on Kit Kat desserts. That's not enough, Mabel. Moles buy arts and crafts stuff. Didn't buy you anything. Got shopping for herself. Got a crap for herself. Got stuff for herself. I'll put my stuff in the car. I'm going to put my stuff in the car. I'll put my stuff in the car. Did you say anything? Yeah, no, I'm going to get stuff for myself. Myself. Didn't get you anything. Wouldn't get you big giant canvas. Canvas. Wouldn't buy you anything. Maybe because he was rude. And then she went home. And a Caribbean drink for herself. Wouldn't get Michael a meal deal for dinner. Trilogy of coronation chicken sandwiches, 2 ham, cheese and mayonnaise sandwiches, 500ml Pepsi Max, cheese and onion crisps. But I don't want to work with Mabel McCauley anymore. I'll do the song in the next video. It's the rant about Mabel McCauley that got in the way. Well, can't we talk about something else? 2 topics actually. Because I'm not happy with Sony. Basically, the Grand Cross forfeit off of Hang 17. The origin of Michael's t-shirt. There was this competition on Hang 17. You've been grabbed. And if you lost, you got sent to granny corral. White supremacy is the reason that is wrong with America. That's the only reason why JD Vance won in 2028. Well, how do you know? It's a daft. Mystic Meg told me that anyway, enough interruptions, you idiot. Sony announced that in 2029, January 1st, 2028, that digital media, physical media, I agree. I'm done with Sony. I hope that console flops are worse than Martin V. Cole's stand-up comedy. Enough, I'm going back to my DVDs. I'm going back to retro gaming. And you shouldn't keep spreading the word like this because Sony will ban retro gaming as well. Rachel has put a 3p per mile thing on everyone. Fuck you, Vicky, you fat cunt. I'm going back to petrol. And you're better off going back to retro gaming.